mathematicians. Let's get warmed up for domino doubles by counting by twos. Okay, you ready? Count along with me at home. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I bet you know how to do that already, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, what comes next? Remember, it's skip counting, so you have to skip the next number. So let's go from 10. 10, skip 11. 12, skip 13. 14, yeah. All right, let's go ahead and try it out on the hundreds chart just to keep getting ourselves all nice and warmed up. A great way to practice counting by twos, or really notice that it's skip counting, is by using your hundreds chart or your counting to 120 chart. If you're looking at your 120 chart, you can go ahead and start counting by twos. And I like to go ahead and cover them up. If you have one that you can print out, you can color them in, but you can also just cover them up like this with your Unifix cubes. 2, 4, or if you have something that you can see through, you could even use that too. Let's do that. Do it together. Ready? Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8. Notice we're skipping one each time. Skip 9 for 10. Skip 11 for 12. Just keep skipping one. Let's go ahead and count. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I'm going to stop here because this is not the main focus of the lesson. It's just a warm-up. But if you want, you can do this activity and finish it for one of your math choice activities. Remember, you can completely do the rest of that hundreds chart warm-up with counting by twos as a math choice activity at another time. Or if you're really into it, you can pause the video now and go ahead and finish. But the main focus for today is focusing on these doubles. So let's go ahead and count by two again because there's something interesting going on here. You can go 2, 4, but you can also use your two hands, right? Let's do it this way. Ready? 2, 4. Let's add one on each side. 6, 8. Do you notice what's happening? Hey, I have a question. Do you think doubles are odd or even numbers? Go ahead and pause the video, and if there's someone next to you, tell them, do you think doubles are odd or even numbers? Okay, are you back? What did you think? Let's see. Do you remember even numbers have someone that matches up with them? So if we go 2, even. 4. Oh, there they go. Those are even. 6. 1, 2. Oh, there's not an extra one, so it must be even. You're right.
Hey, Miss Caudle, can we please play the game now? Please?
Did you hear that? Did you notice that a sloth snuck its way into our video? This is Speedy the Sloth. And Speedy the Sloth, I know you love to play games, but we've got to get finished getting warmed up and ready. So I promise we'll play a game with you in just a minute, okay? Goodness gracious. Well, let's get ourselves all ready. So what you do need to know is that we're going to look at this collection of dominoes, and I want to know your observations. We're going to look at it right together on the video right now, but it's going to be on page 1 of the student template in Seesaw. All right, let's check out those dominoes together real quick. Let's look at this collection nice and closely. What do you see? What do they all have in common? What is different in all of these? Which of these dominoes has the highest total, and what is it? Which has the lowest total, and what is it? What else do you notice when you look at this collection of dominoes? What did you notice? Well, you are going to write down a couple of answers and use the microphone to record your observations on page 1 of the student template in Seesaw. And then you're going to go to page 2 of the student template, and you are going to make sure to show us what else you can figure out when you're looking at all of those double dominoes. After you do page 1 of the student template, click to the next page. You're going to see this page here that says double dominoes, and you're going to use the pen tool to write in the numbers for each domino, the total dots, and also the dots on one side only. I've started this for you with the total dots here being 2 and the number of dots on one side only being 1. Then you'll use the pen tool to go ahead and finish up and trying to figure out your strategies here. How can you figure out 2 plus 2? Well, maybe you already know that total and you can write it here, then write down the number 2 here. But as you get higher up, you might need to use a different strategy than just having it in your head. Don't forget to use the microphone to describe what strategies you used for figuring out the domino totals. Are you ready for the game? Okay, good. That's what's next. Okay. Speedy is so ready to play this game. What you're going to need is one die, and then I have a sheet for you to use. You can print it out from the example in Seesaw, or you can write directly on it with the pen tool in Seesaw. It's on page 3 of the student template. Okay, you can play the game with a stuffy like me, or if you can find a real human, that's even better. Let's go figure out how to play. All right, we Rochambeau'd, and Speedy gets to go first with double the domino dots. Okay, Speedy, here you go. Let's go ahead and roll the die. Oh, look what you got, Speedy. A 2. Let's go ahead and write that number right here. Okay, now we have to draw that number of dots on each side of the domino. 2 plus 2. There we go. So let's go ahead and write an equation to match that domino. Do you want my help? Okay, no problem, Speedy. Here we go. 2 plus 2. How do I figure out the total? Well, you might just know the fact. Speedy, do you know that fact? No? Oh, okay. Hold on. So now we have to figure it out. Let's see, we can count by 2s. 2, 4. Oh, that could work. Let's double check. We can count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Okay, my turn. Here we go, Speedy. Oh, it's 4 this time. Okay, let's write that number. 4. And let me write the dots in each side of the domino. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's write the equation. Part plus part equals total. If I don't know that fact, I could count up all the dots, but that might take a little time and I might miss one. Oh, I'll do this strategy. Do you remember the counting on strategy? Okay, let's do it. Put 4 in your head, 4, and let's count on. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, here we go. Then we keep on playing. You might get the same number twice, but then you'll be really good at it. Hopefully you'll get a wide variety of numbers when you roll that die. Oh, look what you got, Speedy. 5. Let's keep playing. We hope you have fun exploring and observing these double dominoes, and we hope you have fun playing the game. See you soon. Great job, mathematicians.